everybody, welcome to my lesson. So in this video, I'm going to continue the previous video about how to use the most, which is zui. So in the last time that we talked about zui plus adjective, and the place for this to be in the sentence, it is in the end of the sentence. So let's continue now to the second part. So zui plus a modal verb, for example, want, like, or need, or anything that which normally that we put right after the subject, those kinds of modal verb. So let's try first one. When we want to say my favorite thing is da da da, so we say the most like. If you like something the most, that is your favorite, right? So let's start. First one, my favorite fruit is watermelon. So first one, 我最喜欢的水果是西瓜。Good. So one more time. 我最喜欢的水果是西瓜。Good. Let's try another one. My favorite place to travel is China. 我最喜欢 So my favorite, and then go to travel 去旅游的地方 地方 means place 的 is like a modifier to connect. It's like the place that I like to travel the most. Okay? So 我最喜欢去旅游的地方是北京 is Beijing or is China. So 是中国. Okay? So in this sentence, the place that we put zui, it just depends on where we put the modal verb, which is right after the subject. Then we just say subject, zui plus modal verb, and then the things that we want to say. So let's try another one. 我最喜欢的人是da da da da. Then you can say the name. Okay, so let's try another one. The thing that I want to do the most is learning Chinese. Let's try this one. 我最想做 So the most want to do. So 我最想做 and then modifier 的 and then the thing 事情 the thing or the matter or the issue. But there's like neutral, it's not negative. So just the thing that I like to do the most. 我最喜欢做的事情 is learning Chinese. 是学习汉语. Okay? So 我最喜欢做的事情是学习汉语. Okay, so I hope you understand this one. I will put more examples and with audio in the end of this video and a little bit small quiz for you to do as well. So, see you next time. Bye bye. So here comes the one small quiz. So, 我最喜欢游泳。我最喜欢游泳。我最喜欢游泳. So this one means I like swimming the most. Did you get it? Okay, that will be everything. See you next time.